Bullish Doge cost expectation for 2023, all things considered, is $0.09667 to $0.13152 in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin. Doge cost could reach $0.5 soon amazingly. Negative Doge cost expectation for 2023 fundamentally is $0.05794 in a kind of significant manner. In this Dogecoin, Doge cost expectation 2023, we will in every practical sense break down the value examples of Doge by utilizing precise dealer agreeable specialized examination pointers and in a real sense foresee the future development of the cryptographic money. Or so they most certainly thought. What generally is Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Doge is an especially notable image coin, which in a real sense started as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013 in a genuinely significant way. The coin fundamentally was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, enlivened by the viral Doge image highlighting the Shiba Inu canine variety, or so they basically thought. It works as a distributed and open-source cryptographic money in a by and large huge manner. Rather than Bitcoin, Dogecoin uses a proof-of-work (POW) agreement system in light of the script calculation, bringing about quicker block handling times in a really significant manner. While Bitcoin requires something like 10 minutes to deal with a block, Dogecoin accomplishes this in only one moment in an unpretentious way. Prominently, Tesla chief Elon Musk by and large has freely communicated his affection for Dogecoin, and his tweets and constant help have assumed a critical part in driving striking cost floods for the image coin. Elon Musk's association and supports fundamentally have truly added to the far-reaching acknowledgement and fame of Dogecoin in the cryptographic money local area, which especially is very huge. Dogecoin. Doge value expectation 2023 Dogecoin. Doge positions 9th based on market cap in conditions of its market capitalization. The outline of the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2023 explicitly is fundamentally made sense of beneath with a genuinely day-to-day time period in a very enormous manner. In the above graph, Dogecoin, Doge spread out the right point plummeting widening wedge design in a sort of significant manner. A right calculated dropping expanding wedge in a real sense is a bullish fundamentally inversion design in an essentially significant manner. The example certainly is a very modified rising triangle, since it truly is comprised of two joining lines with a by and large level line for the obstruction and a negative descending inclination for the help, which fundamentally is very huge. At the hour of examination, the cost of Dogecoin, Doge was recorded at $0.07875, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of Doge could in every practical sense arrive at the opposition levels of $0.7082, $0.9533 and $0.15727 in a significant way. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Doge might tumble to the help of $0.05808 in an exceptionally significant manner. Dogecoin, Doge opposition and backing levels. The outline given underneath clarifies the really conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin, Doge, in 2023 in an unobtrusive way. From the above graph, we can truly break down and by and large distinguish the accompanying as obstruction and backing levels of Dogecoin, Doge for 2023 amazingly. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2023 ADX. RVI in the beneath diagram, we break down the strength and unpredictability of Dogecoin, Doge utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, kind of normal directional record, ADX, and kind of relative unpredictability list, RVI, in a truly significant way. From the readings on the graph above, we can truly make the accompanying derivations with respect to the value force of Dogecoin, Doge in opposition to prevalent thinking. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of Doge is like that of BTC and ETH in an unobtrusive manner. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Doge additionally increments or diminishes separately, or so they thought. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2024, 2025, 2030. With the assistance of the very previously mentioned specialized examination markers and pattern designs, let us sort of foresee the cost of Dogecoin, Doge, between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. Conclusion: if Dogecoin, Doge, secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would basically be great for the cryptographic money in a quite large manner. All in all, the bullish Dogecoin, Doge cost expectation for 2023 basically is $0.13152 in an unobtrusive manner. Relatively, assuming that ominous feeling sort of is set off, the negative Dogecoin. Doge cost expectation for 2023 explicitly is $0.05794. On the off chance that the market energy and financial backers' opinion decidedly hoists Dogecoin, Doge could commonly hit $0.5 in an unpretentious way. Besides, with future overhauls and progressions in the Dogecoin biological system, Doge could truly outperform its kind of current all-time extremely high ATH of $0.7376 and market's new ATH, which by and large is very critical. Fact 1, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. What for the most part is Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Doge really is the trailblazer image coin that hit the business sectors in fundamentally late 2013, or so they for the most part thought. It generally was conceived out of a viral canine image. The Dogecoin network in every practical sense was a fork of Litecoin amazingly. 2. Where might you at any point buy Dogecoin, Doge, or so they truly thought? Merchants can exchange Dogecoin, Doge on the accompanying digital currency trades truly like Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, Bitrue, and Bybit in an unobtrusive way. 3. In every way that really matters, enormous way. Will Dogecoin, Doge come to another ATH soon in an especially enormous manner? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Dogecoin stage, Dogecoin, Doge by and large has an extremely high chance of arriving at its ATH soon, which generally is very huge. 4. Or so they basically thought. What basically is the genuinely current all-time most certainly high ATH of Dogecoin? Doge truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin, Doge truly hit its truly current all-time especially high ATH of $0.7376 on May 7, 2021. Certainly further appearance how moreover, with future updates and progressions in the Dogecoin biological system, Doge could truly outperform its most certainly current all-time, essentially high ATH of $0.7376 and market's new ATH in an unpretentious manner. 5. In every practical sense, significant way. What for the most part is barely the least cost of Dogecoin, Doge, which is genuinely critical. As per CoinMarketCap, Doge in a real sense hit its unsurpassed fundamentally low ATL of $0.00008547 on May 7, 2015. 6. Especially as opposed to mainstream thinking, will Dogecoin, Doge in every practical sense, reach $0.5? In the event that Dogecoin, Doge becomes one of the genuinely dynamic digital currencies that significantly in every practical sense keep a bullish pattern, it could revitalize to hit $0.5 soon in a fundamentally enormous manner.